are you guys Malayalis?
Yeah.
That's like most often that question has been. And I'm getting romantic now, remembering those days when we first met. Very much visible. We are on the mountain top. And it is indeed a breathtaking view. I cannot capture every beauty of this place, but we'll try and capture as much as we
Recently,
can.
we have done a couple of videos about Evil Jet.
Yeah.
So one of our primary
Q&A session here on top of the...
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I...
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel North Meets South by Satish and Stuti.
So are you going for a trekking?
Yes, we finally found easy trekking path. I would say an easy trekking path, and I'm enjoying this. We parked our bullet down over there, and now we are going up. This place is Anjumala Para.
So rest of the things we'll talk when we reach there.
Yeah.
Hello. Good to wait.
So guys, this was easy to walk, and if you can see that mountain top where a couple of people are there, that's where
Let me see, I can... Yeah.
that's where we need to climb up. Up till now, there were a bit small pebbles and mud, but now, my dear friends, as you can see, it's all
Rock.
rocks. So we are doing trekking exactly on the rock. Come on, follow me.
What is this all about?
I don't know, I'm coming here for the very first time.
No, what is this all about? For what we are doing?
Doing it for North Meets South.
Yeah. This is a funny area, Annie.
Come on, Sati. Keep the line, you can do it.
You can go from here also. Careful.
See, I made it. I made it to the first mountain. A small mountain.
It's a bit... Oh no.
Guys, this much we have climbed. And we stopped for having some water. This much we have climbed. Me and Satish both are gasping. We need to go a little bit more steep now. And we stopped to have some drink.
Some breath actually.
Some breath as well as some H2O. Because there's no chai khada over here. We don't get anything over here. We just need to climb up. Okay. As my younger son says, oh my God! Wow! This is the wow it is. Okay? There's nothing to hold. I'm literally holding the rocks. Else we might disbalance ourselves. Okay, boy. Okay, boy. I need it.
And you put the helmet on.
Nope, I'm fine. Okay, come on, Dada. Woohoo.
I had to put my helmet on because my hand is not free. This is quite hard. Okay. Now the things it gets better.
Yep.
How do we come down?
That will find us.
Another challenge. Finally we reach, no?
Like we say, at the foot of the hill. Like we say, at the foot of the hill, we have reached to the foot of the Anjumala Para. This big rock. Now, just a few steps away
We have to go from here.
to reach the destination. Friends, you can see.
Put the helmet.
No. Friends, you can see. There's nothing, absolutely nothing to hold on. So I'm gonna go this way.
Go.
Okay.
I'll take. Stay there. I'll take one photo.
Without the beast.
No, it will not be. Okay, go.
I made it.
Guys, anybody is having some health issues, please don't try to come over here.
Hey, this is a cool place.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, take a picture for me. I know I'm sweaty. Okay. Now how? How? बैठ तो गई मोटी मम्मा. निकलेगी कैसे मम्मा?
And wear the helmet. Your hand will be free, no? Okay, finally we are. We are seeing a spectacular view.
Yes.
So we are a little bit late. We are supposed to be here by 4 o'clock. That's what we were planning. Today was a hazy day. So I don't think so we are able to get the exact view it's supposed to be. But nevertheless, so the very reason we climbed up this side to just have a Q&A session with you guys.
That's good.
So without wasting any more time, let's go to the Q&A.
Yeah.
So what are the frequent questions we have got or we've been getting it?
Are you guys Malayalis?
Yeah.
That's like most often that question is being asked.
Yeah.
And our channel name itself
So
suggests.
you're going to answer that?
Yeah. The channel name itself suggests North meets South. That means Stuti is from North and Satish is from South. Now let me narrow down more. North means I'm from Central India, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Central India, Madhya Pradesh. I am born and brought up completely, education, everything in Madhya Pradesh. And my mother tongue is, of course, Hindi, the national language of India. Okay? And Satish, you want to say for yourself or I have to say?
Yeah, I'll tell.
Okay.
എൻ്റെ പേര് സതീഷ് എന്നാണ്. കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ്. കേരളത്തിൽ കൊല്ലം ജില്ലയിൽ പത്തനാപുരം എന്ന സ്ഥലത്താണ് എൻ്റെ വീട്. എൻ്റെ മദർ ടങ് ഒഫീഷ്യലി ഇത് ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഷ തന്നെയാണ്. So my mother tongue is Malayalam, right? Then the next question. So how do we meet? That's a question you're gonna ask, right? So I will leave to Suti.
How we met and where we met. So it is a very nice question, where we met. And I'm getting romantic now, remembering those days when we first met. Very much visible. We are on the mountain top. And it is indeed a breathtaking view. I cannot capture every beauty of this place, but we'll try and capture as much as we can. And now I'm feeling nostalgic actually. Okay, me and Satish met each other in Chennai. Okay, that's our second most loved place because that's where we met. So Satish and myself met in way back in 2002. We both came for our studies over there. Recently, one of our friend wrote in our channel comment section, why we are here. Okay, that's a nice question once again. Satish and myself met in Chennai and we got married in Kerala. And then after marriage, we were in Chennai for almost 7 to 8 years. And then we came down to Kerala because this is Satish's place. He's from Kerala. And for work, we came down here. And ever since we moved from Chennai, we are here in Kerala. So because of the work, we are here.
So what's the next question?
How many subscribers do we have?
Subscribers, we will actually reveal it. Once we hit what do you say? So revealing subscribers, we thought we'll keep it a little more time. So once we hit 1 lakh, so along with the silver play button.
Yeah,
we
that's
can
a
reveal.
nice idea.
I mean, we are not a small family. We are not a small family. Obviously, we have a substantial amount of. Can we say amount?
Numbers.
Substantial numbers of family members.
Yeah.
That means we are not a small family. So we will reveal it along with our silver play button.
Yep.
So we have a party.
Yeah.
Each one of you will be, notified,
Yes.
and we'll come. We'll have a party that time. So
True.
that question, I think, is hopefully be answered.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another question which people ask, why, like, are we hesitant to speak in Malayalam?
Yeah.
So the reason is, Satish is from Kerala. He knows Malayalam very well.
Yeah.
I'm from North India. My mother tongue is Hindi, and we also do speak English at home.
Yeah.
And I don't know ABCD of Malayalam. Seriously, I don't know to read. Barely few words I can speak, and when I start to speak, he laughs at me. Okay.
And another thing is, like, we started this channel as an English channel.
Yeah.
We thought to take our both the cultures, the best of both the cultures.
Right.
That is North and South.
Right.
To another community, right? I mean,
Right.
beyond our
Regional
boundaries.
Boundaries,
So
yeah.
the best way we can do that with, language can be a barrier for doing something like this. So if we speak in Malayalam, only Malayalam speaking community can understand, right?
True.
But if you speak in English, even Malayalam community also, North Indian community also, even Tamil,
Across the globe.
across the globe it can be reached.
Right.
So that's one of the reasons we are having our channel in English. Nothing against any language.
No.
And we'll have to do it in Malayalam. So we have a Malayalam channel. I mean, I'm running a Malayalam channel. So please do subscribe that channel, PS Vlog. So we'll give the details in our description. So that's the reason. So the reason is, like, we have a channel in English, so that can all the possibilities that can go beyond our regional, the barriers. So that's a simple answer. Another thing is, like, we don't speak Malayalam at home.
Yeah.
So if I start speaking Malayalam, many words probably Sudhi can't understand.
Most of it, actually.
Most of it.
I mean, I'm doing most of the reaction with the help of the subtitles. Seriously, I mean, if you can observe me carefully, I'm reading through every word and then I'm doing it and understanding the tone, trying to understand the music. With that, I'm doing it, honestly speaking. So if he speaks purely in Malayalam, from the first sentence till the last sentence, I'll be zapped.
Yeah.
So we speak at home only in English.
One tips I would like to give you guys, if you happen to have a relation with another culture, a cross-culture relationship, so you got to be flexible, right?
Right.
You can't always think that you can speak only in one particular language. You got to be flexible, and it's all about communication, right? So you need to choose. You need to pick one language with both. You both can understand,
Right.
And start living.
And it's
happily.
fun, guys. Cross-cultural marriage is fun. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
See, I'm learning his food. I mean, the food of Kerala. I'm learning, and
Yeah.
I think I'm faring well in that.
Yeah. You can't expect a cross-cultural family to speak in a regional language.
Right.
It's not. It can happen,
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
For Malayalis, they will say, what is there? You learn Malayalam. No. So you come in my shoes and then you'll understand how difficult it is, because I have no roots from South India. I've never learned Malayalam. I've never studied Malayalam. And now you tell me that, okay, so many years you're living up till now, people will say, Cheche didn't study Malayalam. I was like, excuse me, guys, what are you talking?
So that's one of the reason we speak in Malayalam, English.
Yeah.
And when we recently we have done a couple of videos about Evil Jet.
Yeah.
So one of our primary concern about that videos was that we really want to showcase them in beyond our Malayalam language.
Correct.
Yeah. So if somebody happened to see them from the North India, apart from India, we have viewers from all across the globe.
Right.
So if someone happened to see them, their enthusiasm, their passion. So we just want to showcase their skill
Right.
to the world, right?
World, right.
So English is the right language for that.
So friends, I hope you all enjoyed our Q&A session here on top of the mountain, right? It was indeed a nice place to come, and we had fun doing that with you. And the rest of the questions, I know more questions will keep on coming as our family grows. NMS family grows, North Meets South family grows. The questions will keep on increasing, and we'll be there to answer them soon. It's getting dark now and let's go down. It's me, Stuti. Satish is behind the camera. So it's me, Stuti and Satish signing off from our channel, North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. Remember to subscribe, like and share our channel and stay connected with us. See you in the next video very soon. Take care. God bless. Sayonara.